Oh, Som!
Oh, hi!
Glad you could make it
Yes.
to Walden Sukhumvit 23.
Yeah.
Are you ready to view this condo?
Yes, I'm so excited.
Let's go.
Okay, let's go. So, can you tell me more about this condo?
Yes, of course, Som. I'm excited to tell you more. So Walden Asoke 23, right, is actually built by Habitat Group. It's one of the award-winning developers with main projects in Bangkok and Pattaya. So this condo itself has a total of 83 units of mainly 1 and 2 bedroom types. And of course, for such a condo, you would expect to have the top-notch facilities. And yes, they provide it with the rooftop swimming pool. You've got the rooftop garden as well as the hot and cold tubs.
Oh, wow.
So when you come back from work, you have all these facilities to enjoy.
Oh, nice.
Okay. And of course, they got the standard gymnasium and a very nice looking lobby. And you've got automated parking as well.
Oh, wow.
So this developer has also made it a point to surround this building with a lot of landscape greenery.
Yeah.
So even on the lower floors, when you look out of your window, you see all greenery.
Yes, I can tell.
Yes, I'm sure you like it. So Som, are you ready to look at the units now?
Yes, I can't wait to see.
All right, let's go.
Okay, let's go.
Alright, Som, after we've seen these rooms, right, how do you feel about Walden Asoke 23?
Oh my god, I love it so much. I felt so cozy. And I love the modern boutique, greenery style development. I felt like I'm just surrounded by all these trees and it makes me happy so much.
Wow, I'm glad you like it so much. But do you also know that we are actually right smack at it all?
Oh really?
Yes, it's literally just like 5 minutes away from Terminal 21.
Okay.
Of course, you've got M Quartier as well. You've got the BTS and MRT interchange station, and which is linked to the office towers like Interchange Tower, Exchange Tower. You've got really world-renowned schools like NIST, and as well as the Bamrurat Hospital, which is just 1 station away.
Oh, that's very near.
And of course, not forgetting your favorite food. The whole delicacies, global delicacies here, right in the inner soils as
they
well.
They got the Korean also.
Yes, you got Korean, Japanese food. Of course, you got the Argentinian steakhouse as well as the British food, your Sunday rolls.
Yeah, wow, what a prime location. I just can't wait to move in. So if I'm interested to get a unit here, how can I reach out? Oh, okay.